Not spring back. Not spring back. Spring got problem. So I have disassembled the lock with these two handles in here and two spare spring are going out from somewhere else. Yeah, let's dip into it. What you need is to get this thing out and then just pull this part apart, and then you will reveal the spring inside, same as the other one. So let's get into it. So got this out, and you it reveals the spring in it on this side. Usually the spring will have been broken. Let's see in here. So in my case, it's been broken into two pieces. Yeah, the rest is just grab one of the spare ones. This one happened to be a bit larger than my original one, but it shouldn't be too much of a problem. Lower it up, and then there's a clipper in here. Just assemble it. Same thing happened to the other one. Have been broken into two pieces. You see, I successfully replaced both spring. And we will just put the thing back and see how it works. All good. Spring back. Perfect.